If the cloth merchant professes to sell his cloth at the cost price but uses a meter scale that measures 90 centimeters for every meter, what is the net profit or loss percentage? Now, for such questions, when the shopkeeper is using a faulty scale or a faulty meter, you can use this following concept. Now, because it is a cloth merchant and dealing in centimeters, we will assume the cost price of 100 centimeter cloth to be 100 rupees. So we can say that the cost price of 1 centimeter is equal to 1 rupee as well. Okay. Now, the cloth merchant is selling it at cost price itself. Okay. So when the shopkeeper claims to sell 100 centimeters of cloth, he will make the bill of 100 rupees. So selling price becomes 100 rupees. But actually, he's cheating the customer, and in spite of claiming that he is giving 100 centimeters, that is 1 meter cloth, he is actually giving only 90 centimeters of cloth. So we can say the cost price of that 90 centimeter cloth will be 90 rupees. So from this, you can see that for 90-meter cloth, the shopkeeper's cost price is 90 rupees, but he's selling it at rupees 100. So that means he is getting a profit of rupees 10. So profit percentage, as the formula states, profit upon CP into 100. So this becomes 10 upon 90 into 100. That is 1 by 9. So answer comes out to be 11.11 percentage profit.